everyone. April Davis here with April Davis Creations. Welcome to my 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar Reveal. We are on day number 4. Each day I open one door and share with you then a project that is created with the item that was behind that particular door. So today we're opening door number 4. So let's go ahead and get the calendar opened and look for door number 4, which is right here. We'll pop this open and we find behind door number 4 labels, gold foiled edged labels. I'm going to pull these out so we can get a better look of them. But you can do stamping with the stamp set on them. I can show you other things. Oh, here's one that I've already stamped on. I actually took the label and cut it in half. We've got circles, quite a number of these. And so for day number 4, the card that I created was this one, and you can see I was utilizing the stamping. Of course, I bring in other items to create my projects as well. So we've got a piece of basic white that we stamped on with, and then we ran it through the embosser. But you can see that I utilize the labels, the gold foil labels, always in my heart. And then I actually took a second one and added a little tail to it. So fun things to do with these. I also included the gems from day 3 as well. And remember, I talked about how I like to, it actually comes with a little pouch itself, so I'll probably keep these labels in the pouch, but I do save these pouches just so that I can have a way to organize the items that are coming from the Advent calendar. If you're interested in this card and how to make this card, I do have a tutorial that I've created with 12 projects, one for each door, for the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. When you purchase the Advent Calendar through my store, you're automatically going to get that tutorial with all 12 projects for free. If you already have the Advent Calendar and you're interested in the tutorial itself, then I do have it in my PDF store. All you have to do is go to aprildaviscreations.com, go to shop, go to PDF store, and you can find it there. So again, this is our card for day number 4, featuring the labels that were behind door number 4. And I will see you tomorrow for day 5.